So hello, I'm Julien Delsuc. I'm the CTO of Bondzai. Bondzai is a small startup that started 2 years ago. We deal with artificial intelligence on the edge, totally offline, and we have a specific algorithm which is very unique in the world. And this is what we do. And our first product deals with quality control and predictive maintenance in the Industry 4.0. It's called iDetect 4.0. So we have mainly two security challenges. The first one was to protect our IP, this algorithm which is unique in the world, I say. And we didn't want our competitors to put their hand on it. So this was an obfuscation problem, let's say. And the other problem was to prevent the usage of our software without our authorization. So this is more a licensing problem. We are looking for a solution which is all-in-one, very easy to use. So it doesn't really exist on the market. You have solution for obfuscation and for licensing. And yeah, we have two needs. We needed it to be fast to implement because we are a startup, and you know, time is everything in a startup. And we needed it to be secure because we have this algorithm we want to protect. So once it's cracked, it's cracked. So we have to. It has to be very secure. So the integration was easy, and because I fear that it was complicated because you have to change your toolchain and so on. And it took us, the first integration took us 2 or 3 days just to put it in the toolchain, and it was working. Then you have some tweaking of the parameters for obfuscation to make sure your trade-off between performances and security are okay. So this is a bit longer, it can take up to 1 month, but basically it was quite easy. So the product, so we use QAP, which is a part of QShield. So this part of the product is a compiler. So it's based on C-lang. So it's standard C-lang compiler with a layer of security on top of it. You can configure with YAML file. So you can put a YAML file for each of your modules in your project. It's very convenient and quite easy to use.